greenhouse effect and global warming. So at first we discuss about greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect takes place when the sun rays hit the earth. This heat is absorbed by the surface of the earth and radiated back into the atmosphere. However, a part of this heat is trapped in the atmosphere by some gases like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, chlorofluorocarbons. These gases are called greenhouse gases. If the more greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere, the more heat is trapped and making the earth warmer. So just follow the picture. This is the greenhouse effect. Now come to the next point. The causes that have led to the increase in greenhouse gas. First point, increase in industries. Second, increase in deforestation. Means cutting down of trees and forest. Increase in atmospheric pollution due to emissions from the factories. Expansion of towns and cities. Now come to the next point, global warming. What do you mean by global warming? The increase in the earth temperature is called global warming. Scientists have estimated that if the current rate of the emission of greenhouse gases is not checked, global temperature would rise by 1.5 to 4.5 degrees Celsius by 2030. What are the causes of global warming? Burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuel means coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Smoke release from factories, forest fire, rapid destruction of the forest for agricultural land and industries. Now come to the next point, that is the impact of global warming. Global warming is a strong point of climate change, which is already taking place. Climate change will cause the disturbance in weather patterns and lead to frequent and heavy floods in some places. Many forms of wildlife are now at risk because of climate change, and deforestation are the causing of disappearances of their habitat. Climate change will cause melting the polar ice cap. This is already taking place around the Arctic region and in the Antarctica. The result will be an increase in the volume of ocean waters. The increase in the volume of ocean waters will result in rising sea levels. Countries like Bangladesh, Thailand, Malaysia would be swamped by flood water. How to reduce the global warming? At first, afforestation means tree planting. Second, by using solar energy to heat and light at homes and offices, by using clean fuel like CNG, etc. Now come to the next point, that is the ozone layer in the stratosphere. The layer of the atmosphere called stratosphere has a band of ozone gas. The ozone layer lies between 20 and 40 km above the Earth's surface. This layer protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Causes of depletion in the ozone layer. Just follow the picture. The ozone depletion is mainly caused by CFC, which is used in refrigerator and AC, means air condition. CFCs do not break down in the atmosphere or come back to the earth as rain. They float up into the atmosphere with the help of winds. They drift upward into the air and sometimes taking many years to reach the stratosphere. In the stratosphere, the ultraviolet rays break them apart and release chlorine atoms. Each chlorine atoms combines with oxygen atoms to form chlorine monoxide, which causes a chemical reaction that destroys ozone molecules in the stratosphere. And finally, an ozone hole is gradually formed. Clear? The another causes are deforestation, means cutting down of trees and forest on a large scale. Greatly increases the risk of carbon monoxide reaching the atmosphere and resulting in the depletion of the ozone layer, which in turn result in global warming. Next point, burning of harmful fossil fuels causes ozone depletion. Vehicles that run on petroleum release carbon dioxide into the air. Carbon dioxide emissions and other greenhouse gases destroy the ozone layer in the atmosphere. Okay? So all of you go through the book with question answer. Thank you. Have a good day.